Okay, well, it's just about 3 minutes past the hour, so I'm going to kick things off here. I see some people still joining us here. We're up close to 50, but I don't want to keep everyone waiting much longer here. So let's just jump right in. And let me begin by welcoming you to the first Cloud Slam virtual conference. This is actually pretty exciting to me. I've never actually been involved with a virtual conference like this, so it's quite a bit more convenient than having to jump on a plane and wait around getting to new cities and so forth. So this is very interesting. I hope you're all getting a lot out of it as well. So far, it seems to be going pretty well. This is the first day. There's been some minor technical issues, but otherwise, I think it's gone fairly smoothly. So, but again, I wanted to thank you for joining us today. So why don't you just jump right in. I'll introduce myself. My name is Chris Marino, and I'm one of the organizers of the conference, and I'll be hosting today's session titled Integrating Applications in the Cloud. By the way, if this is not the session that you're expecting, you probably still have some time to exit and join one of the other sessions that are currently in progress. You know, as I said, I've never attended a session like this, but it seems to be going well so far. For today's session, which is going to last approximately 60 minutes, we're going to hear from an expert in application integration, Francis Carden, the founder and chief evangelist for OpenSpan, a provider of application integration solutions for the cloud. By the way, Francis has more than 20 years of experience running multinational technology companies with a proven track record of delivering successful technology solutions to thousands of clients in more than 30 countries worldwide. Prior to OpenSpan, Francis was the founder and CEO of Pixel Innovations, a provider of software integration services. Today, Francis is going to spend a few minutes providing an overview of application integration and some of the challenges of cloud integration. From there, he's going to show us some real live demonstrations of application integration in the cloud with existing legacy systems using the OpenSpan solution. The demo is very visual and very compelling and impressive, and I really hope that the demo will get to it quite quickly so he doesn't have to spend a lot of time on the slides and so forth. After that, there should be plenty of time for Q&A, and that reminds me that we just need to go over some of the logistics. So during the presentation demo, if you have a question, type it into the WebEx window at the lower right-hand corner of your WebEx client, and I will be selecting some of those as we go and submitting them to Francis for answering at the end of the presentation. And if something else comes up that you need to contact me, just please send me an IM directly, and I'll do what I can on the fly here to help resolve the situation. And with that, I'm going to pass the ball over to Francis and let him jump right into integrating applications in the cloud. Francis?
Thank you, Chris, and welcome everybody. I guess it's afternoon pretty much, or evening everywhere around the world, so there's no good morning needed, unless maybe if you're in Hawaii, it might still be morning. So welcome, and appreciate everybody giving up their time to take a look at this presentation. I think you're going to be pretty intrigued by our unique approach to integrating applications in the cloud with your existing enterprise applications. With that, we'll jump right into it. And so let's just cover off quickly the agenda. What I'm going to do is talk a little bit about the impact that cloud technologies have on the business user. Then cover our approach to integration and how we can actually solve many problems with bringing applications into the enterprise that are in the cloud.